What's up, YouTube? Listen, family, in today's video, I want to go over 4 stocks that are on sale and that you may want to consider buying the dip on in terms of your long-term investments. Okay, listen, guys, before we dive into today's video, please do me a favor. Please make sure you like and subscribe. Make sure you help this video get at least 2,000 likes. And without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into it. Okay, guys, I had to come back. I had to circle the block. I had to double back. We had a grand slam. This was on yesterday, and it came in right when I was publishing my video. He said, "Hey, Chris, today I was downright surgical, one play after another, ultimately a $2,000 day." Once again, thanks for your guidance in the Discord. Carl, I want to say major salute. Carl is a phenomenal student, but he's more indicative of what's possible for each and every one of you guys. Check it out. Again, a lot of home runs, a lot of base hits. I love the mixture of both here. He had a put on Apple, 4 contracts, up 700%. I love to see this, guys. 1 contract, he let this one ride, finished out up 29%. 2 contracts, another 38% on this one. And then he had 2 contracts here, another 53%. You see the mixture of base hits, seeing profit, taking profit, not being greedy, not overstaying his welcome, guys. Major salute to those of you that did your thing today as well as yesterday. I saw many of you told me about you were killing the game, whether it was puts on AMC, whether you guys did your thing in Apple or did your thing in Tesla. I want to say major salute. Now, guys, check it out. Really quickly, a quick little $1,000 play for you all to close out the week, okay? Let's go ahead and dive into the charts. I have the SPY pulled up for you guys on the 5-minute chart. Check this out, okay? Just a really quick play. I want to teach you guys, show you guys, and help you execute, okay? Number 1, bring your focus there for me. The gap fill / resistance for tomorrow is at 446, okay? So do me a favor, 2 things you need to do. Number 1, you need to end pre-market tomorrow morning. Don't count what happens tonight, okay? Tomorrow morning around 8:30 up until 9:30, see if we gap up at all, okay? Because if we don't and we do bounce tomorrow, 446 is our target for anybody that want to buy calls from the 444 level, okay? Now check this out, okay? Diving back in here, number 2 is a retest of the lows, which is at 442 tomorrow. So you guys from 444, if we have more downward pressure, remember, assess where the market is at. You guys can ride it from 444 down to 442. Yes, guys, it may go lower. Yes, guys, it may go higher. I want to teach you guys how to trade a range and how to crush a range and easily make your $100 a day or $1,000 a day, okay? And then for those of you that are my vets and that you know how to be extremely surgical, resistance is at 446. So if we get there and we get rejected, you can ride the play all the way down from 446 to 442. That's close to $4 or $5. That will be near 100% return on your investment, on your option play, okay? Just a trick of the trade. Same thing applies if you get 442 and you hold it all the way through to resistance to 446. That is also a play. Again, that's a little more complex. You guys need a little more skills to pull that off. Got to know what to look for, things of that nature, okay? But I wanted to put that on you guys, all right? Now on to the stocks, guys, that have got my attention. I love a pullback, and when I see pullback, simply put, guys, it is a chance to go shopping. It is a chance to buy the dip. One that's on my radar is Google, ticker symbol GOOGL. Alphabet Class A sitting at $135.26. Despite the day that tech had in general, this one actually closed flat on the day. I'm not going to give this one too much credit, but nevertheless, guys, I have a $150 price target on this one. So on pullbacks, when I say pullbacks, I'm talking about stuff like this, down at 133, down at 130, down at 128, stuff like that. That is buying the dip, knowing that we are en route to 150 once the positive and bullish momentum comes back to the market, or once we get through the month of September, okay? Be prepared on the front end, all right? Number 2, guys, SCHD. Don't forget about this one. Now is a great time, okay, when we have a dip, when this storm hits the market and we press stocks down in the month of September, when stocks go on sale, when stocks come back in your buy zone, such as SCHD, please scoop up as what you can of this, okay? Dollar cost average your way into this. I still love this 70 and below, but you can buy smaller increments, smaller amounts at these levels or below. Look at this. On the day it was down here more towards 73.11, 73 flat. That's a great level to dollar cost average into this. That okay? Keep that in mind. Keep that on your radar. Another dividend stock back under $34, so it got my attention. Buying more of this. I already bought more of this. I'm gonna buy some more tomorrow as well because I love to buy stocks on Mondays and Friday. Monday we were closed, so Friday is a heavy shopping day. Verizon, ticker symbol VZ, sitting at $33.81. I like this under $34, and so guess what? If I see another day like this on top of today, we will continue to accumulate because we're always buying assets. We're always making sure that we have our money working on our behalf, okay? Don't sleep on your dividend stocks. And then, guys, Altria, ticker symbol MO, sitting at $43.72. I like this one under $44, okay? So, again, when I talk about buying a dip, these plays were sitting at $45, okay? Now, even though it's an up day, coming from down here at 43, I like this, okay? So I'm putting it on your radar because I'll be accumulating, I'll be scooping up, I'll be dollar cost averaging into this at these levels and below, okay? It's buy the dip season in the month of September because most likely, historically, the stocks are down. Not that every day will be down, but you'll have majority of time the stocks are down. Don't look at it as a bad thing. Look at it as a time to do your thing, okay? Listen, guys, again, we're already off to a shortened week, so that means you have to be on point, okay? When in doubt, sit it out, all right? Today, guys, check this out. Today, I did my thing, all right? But today wasn't a smooth day because the stocks I was trading was doing little to nothing. I didn't take my first trade until 10:35 Eastern time. I'm sharing that with you guys because it was about me, 1, being patient, 2, practicing what I preach to you guys every day, okay? But number 3, I wanted and needed more clarity to see were we going to flush down, were we going to bounce off support, and sure enough, by waiting to 10:35, I was able to see the game clearly. However, the moves just wasn't there, okay? But the clarity I had on, okay, we have bounced off of, like just use Apple for example, or SPY. We bounced off 442, we went to 444, okay? I was able to see it clearly because I waited 30 minutes, 35 minutes to get in, to do anything, and then therefore I was able to make plays off of that. Apple did the same thing, guys. It flushed down to 173 in pre-market, in the market open, and then it popped all the way to 174, 175, 176, 177, 178. I was able to clearly see that, okay? But then I saw at 178, we had a little rejection. We had a little friction at that level, and I was able to buy a put from 178, ride it down to 177, okay? However, had I been in a rush, had I not been patient, I would have missed or jumped in too soon, and then my opportunity would have passed me by, okay? So listen, guys, be patient. The market ain't going nowhere. These plays ain't going nowhere. If you miss one, catch the next one, okay? Also, if in doubt, you sit it out. It's okay to just watch and take mental reps sometimes. Every day you don't have to trade. Every day you don't have to put your capital at risk, okay? And then number 3, make sure you're doing what you need to do to learn, to grow, and to master this game, okay? That means if it's watching free content online on YouTube, make sure you are binge watching the content. If you need one-on-one coaching, make sure you are investing in yourself to get that, okay? Guys, it's possible. It ain't gonna come easy, but I guarantee you it is worth it when you learn to master this skill. This month is a down month, okay? So on up moves, I want you guys to be looking to take advantage of the up moves to ride it back down, okay? Do me that favor. I'll keep giving you some plays that you can tee up and knock out the park. But more importantly, I want you to remember the trend is your friend. Respect it. Don't go against it. It makes life a lot easier. Listen, guys, we make videos like this every day. So if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result. Very few consider the journey. Do me a favor. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.